Hello guys, my name is Desmond and I welcome you to my lesson for today where we'll be looking at your mathematics. As you can see over there, we'll be doing statistics, which is a chapter that we started yesterday. So ladies and gentlemen, please do allow me to say it is very much important that I say it is very, very important because what I'm about to say is massively, massively, massive, massive, massive. Hey, massively important, ladies and gentlemen, that I say a day without learning something new, it's a day wasted. Hamisa, please, 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 please. Mazozozo, please do make sure that by the end of each and every lesson that I conduct, you learn something new. Very, very much important, ladies and gentlemen, over there. So, you guys did confirm that you are able to clearly hear me when I speak, and again, you can clearly be able to see over there. So, yesterday, we did Unit 1. We studied the measure of central tendency, where we focused on ungrouped data to calculate the mean, the median, and the mode. And I suppose all of you guys did understand the business of yesterday's lesson. So in today's lesson, we'll be looking at unit number 2, where we'll study the measure of dispersion. So most importantly, guys, what I'm trying to achieve in today's lesson is to make you guys fully understand what is meant by the range or how to calculate the range. What exactly are the quartiles? How do we calculate the interquartile range, the semi-interquartile range, percentiles, and most importantly, guys, 5 number summary. Remember, it's not at all the times where you need to study everything, but what I'm going to take you through is exactly what you need to know, because that is what we'll be using in order to solve exam type of questions. So let's see how far we can go with today's lesson. If need be, we might just do a discussion of all of this. Then in tomorrow's lesson, we can do the calculations, and then just so that we know we cover the theory part in today's lesson, then tomorrow we only focus on the calculations. All right, then it's fine. For the last time, are you guys able to clearly hear me when I speak? And again, can you confirm for the last time if it is not blurry there? Is it 100% clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good. Let me try to write statistics. Obviously, today we are on unit number 2. Under unit number 2, we say we are looking at the measure of dispersion. This is what we are looking at. So, the first thing that I want you guys to be aware of is what we call the range. The range. Good people, how do you calculate the range. The easiest formula that I can come up with is to say the range, Bantu Bakit, is equals to the largest value minus the smallest value. It is as easy as that, guys, in terms of you calculating the range. You remember, when we're doing the trigonometric functions, we said for us, in order to calculate the range of this function, which could be called a function of f, the range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. So we say, when we calculate the range, we know that our function, it actually consolidate within or inside that range. Here, we could be having 4, and then there we could be having, let's say, negative 2 there. So the range, in terms of the range, we would say the function in this case is ranging between that and that. So there's a way in which we represent that. What do we say? We say it ranges between negative that and also between negative, between positive 4. That's if we're dealing with the range on the trig function. So what you need to be aware of is that when we talk about the range, we consider the largest or the bigger or the biggest value and the smallest value. So but in this case, this is how you write it. You don't need to be calculating anything over there. But in case we are given, let's say, data, just like the data that we were having yesterday, let me do this and use this one as an example. So what is the largest number and what is the smallest number there, Bantu Bagit?
9 is the largest, 1 is the smallest.
Yes. So that means the range will be 9 minus 1, which is equals to 8. This is the range of this data. I hope it makes perfect sense. I'm not sure. Does it make sense to everyone, Bantu Bagiti? It's as easy as
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, 100%. So now let me remove all of this and say I want to take you guys through what we call quartiles. Quartiles. What are quartiles? Good people, quartiles divide data which is in ascending order into 4 quarters. That is why it is called quartiles. I think it's worth it to write this one down, even though this information, it is there in the library. So in case if you are in the library, I've written these notes, posted in the library. At a later stage, you can catch up. You don't need to be writing what I'm writing, but you can write in case if you are not in the library. Okay, let me just not rewrite that. But quartiles, what they do is to divide data which is in ascending order, meaning from a small number to large number. It is to divide data which is already arranged in an ascending order. It divides into 4 quarters. Full stop. Sure. Guys, this word quartiles, it means if you have a loaf of bread over there, that means quartiles will be those lines which divides your loaf of bread into 4 quarters. I'm just not sure if you guys get that part. Maybe let me do those 4 quarters. So maybe we might have a quarter there, a quarter there, and another quarter there. So this is quartile number 1. Maybe this one another quartile, and then that one there another quartile. So can you guys see that we actually have 3 quartiles? We actually have 3 quartiles. What is the purpose of these quartiles? The quartiles is actually to divide data or whatever which is arranged in ascending order into 4 quarters. So that means these lines are called quartiles, Bantu Bakiti, and this is a quarter. The quarter that you know as Bani Chao, Shriyas. In Sepedi, we call it quarter. Shravan, Bani Chao is a quarter, honorable member. So there we've got another quarter. There we've got another quarter. So don't confuse the word quartiles and quarter. So quarter, it is that 1/4. This is quarter. This is quarter. This is quarter. And these things, these lines which made the quarters are what we call the quartiles. Very, very much, ladies and gentlemen, over there. And we have 3 quartiles. I think to make it simple, guys, to make it simple, because obviously this is our data which is arranged in an ascending order. Why can't we maybe just say this is a, what is it, a quartile number 1, and maybe call this one quartile number 2, and maybe call that one quartile number 3, just to make things easy, guys. What do you guys think? We just call it Q1, Q2, and Q3. Then we know that we've got 3 quartiles. Maybe let's try to confuse the enemy, guys. What do you think? Maybe let's call this one lower quartile. This is to confuse the enemy, guys. Let's call it lower quartile. When you go to your camps, if you like, just call it lower quartile. In your head, you know you are referring to quarter number 1. Is there someone who can suggest what can we call this one? Since this one is the lower quartile, what can we maybe call this one? Isn't there someone who wants to help me in confusing the enemy, guys? Bantu Bagit. Sure. I'm not able to hear the honorable members. Maybe let's call it the middle quartile, because it is the one which is in the middle. What do you guys think? It's fine as the middle quartile name. Tabile. A gift. It's unfortunate I'm not able to hear you, honorable member. I'm just not sure what could be the issue. Are you sure you don't have your headsets connected to your phone? Because it could be the reason why I'm not able to hear you when you speak.
Oh. So, sir, I was just asking, what about we call it the medium quartile?
Medium, maybe. Hey, medium. My gift. Why am I not sure about that one? The reason why I would discourage you to call it the medium. But yes, even the medium, we can still, yes, yes. Or the median instead of medium, because medium might mean something else. Maybe median, either the middle value or the median. You can maybe say the median, anything that suggests that it's in the middle. Let's call it that. There's some guys who call middle the middle. So just in case, sometime in the middle of the lesson, you hear me saying middle, just know that I'm referring to the middle. Very, very much important, ladies and gentlemen. What matters the most is that at the end of the day, you guys do know very well what I mean. For those of you guys who did not get at the end of the day, listen to what Shreyas is going to say. You get it. If you don't get it,
forget about it.
Forget about it. So, ladies and gentlemen, what matters the most is that at the end of the day, you guys must not, and you must never allow me to continue without you understanding what I was explaining. Okay, so this one, cute. Since this one is upper quartile, let's call this one, lower. This one, we call it upper quartile. I think it makes it easy, guys. Remember, we are trying to confuse the enemy. So, I think it becomes easy if for now we just regard all of this as that. So that means we have 3 quartiles. And then we have lower quartile, we have the median or the middle quartile, and we also have the upper quartile. So 3 quartiles, divides data which is as arranged in an ascending order. It divides that data into 4 quarters. Very, very much important, ladies and gentlemen, over there. I'm not sure. This one of them are quartiles, guys. Does it make sense to everyone? Does everyone understand what is meant by the quartiles, Bantu Bagiti? Do you guys understand?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Okay. 100%. Maybe let me just remove. Okay. Let me remove the yellow dang. I'll just leave whatever that I'm explaining there. Maybe let's say we now discuss what is well known as the inter quartile range. Yo. How do we calculate the interquartile range? Okay, maybe let me do this. Let's maybe try to bring our loaf of bread, and we say we have maybe our what is it? Our 3 quartiles there. We have our Q1, we have our Q2, we have our Q3. Interquartile range. Hey, the word range in statistics, we know that we have to say something minus something. That's what we know about the range. If we calculate the range, we know it is the largest value minus the smallest value. But in this case, can you see, we are dealing with interquartile range. Yo. So the word inter, it has always reminded me of using the value inside or within. Remember, To calculate this range, you focus on this upper value minus that lower value. So the word enter, it means focus on the middle or the information in between or in the middle or within the data. And then quartile, it serves as a guide to say whatever that you'll be using, whatever information that you'll be using, use the quartiles. So that means I need to take the lower quartile and the upper quartile. But remember, the range says the bigger number minus the smaller number. Between these two, obviously, this one is going to be the bigger value, this is going to be the smaller value, which means interquartile range, the formula is actually Q3 minus Q1. I'm not sure if everything understands that formula, Bantu Bakit. Does it make sense to everyone? Hmm? Bantwana bankulunkulu, la izwisisa le ndaba le.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In that case, let me remove all of this. I think let me remove all of this. In case if I need that information, I'll rewrite it down. Okay. So now I want to take you through what we call semi-interquartile range. Interquartile range. Hey, those two, they were almost the same. But the word semi or semi, what do you know about that word called semi? Is there someone who's got an idea of what that word semi could mean?
So it means half.
Someone says half. Do you guys agree? Is she telling the truth? That honorable member. Dumza, is it you who said half?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. You are correct, Bantu Bakiti. Semi simply means half, just like hemi. You remember we have something called hemisphere. Hemi meaning half of sphere. But in this case, we talk about semi-interquartile range. But we know this formula, guys. We know the formula for interquartile range. Is it not Q3 minus Q1? So that means if you want to calculate a semi-interquartile range, it's just half of this. And half is anything that is being divided by 2. If you have 10 and we want to know what is semi-10 or hemi-10 or half of 10, you just divide it by 2. It doesn't matter whether you've got a signature, guys. If we want to know half, we just divide by 2. Anything that you divide by 2, you are actually cutting it into half. This 2, it's actually there there's that invisible one at the top. So it's more like it's actually half of the signature. It's actually half of a 10. It's actually half of a Q3 minus a Q1. So half of this, it ends up being Q3 minus Q that over 2. So what I'm trying to say is that anything that you divide it by 2, you are actually cutting it into half, which means the formula for semi interquartile range, you are just taking this formula and you divide it by 2. I'm not sure. Does it make sense to everyone, Bantu Bagit? Bantwana bakaNkulunkulu, lisasekhona lapho or libalekile?
Yes, sir, it does
I'm
make
on
sense.
understand the semi quartiles.
Hey, Gift, were you speaking Afrikaans there? Kan jy praat? Are you for real? Kan jy praat?
Yeah, I'm in the Globe African School.
Hey, you know, I'm in the process of learning Afrikaans, honorable member. So from time to time, I might be speaking some funny Afrikaans there. I know Tabile doesn't understand Afrikaans, so I sometimes try to shine there and pretend to be knowing Afrikaans. So now that you are here, and Curious is here also, hey, I think it's going to be tough for me. I will need to make sure that I speak correct Afrikaans. Maar is fine. Ik denk allemaal is goed. I'll get there. Curious.
Yeah,
I will get there.
I'm good in the group.
Hey, Almal is good. I think I'm on the right track. He just confirmed it. Okay, so let's see. The next one is there on my list, but there's nothing much to talk about on percentiles. It seems like it's something that is to do with percentages. But one thing for sure, we will discover more on that as we deal with some exam type of question papers. But for now, don't worry that much about the percentiles. What I want to take you guys through is what we call 5-number summary. 5-number summary. Very, very much important, ladies and gentlemen, over there. A 5-number summary, it's almost a summary of all of this, where number Ian, Tabile, number Ian means number 1. Hey, Tabile, ki kgateletse ka wena or you want Tombo? Ska kry le go tseba Afrikaans ene. Ki kgateletse ka wena. To me, wena o tsebe Afrikaans wena. Hey, I'm not sure about Hamisa. Okay. Number Ian as the minimum value. Minimum value. What is this list that I'm doing, guys? Is the 5-number summary. So, number N is the minimum value. Remember, guys, we are dealing with a data which is in ascending order. That means you cannot make use of a you can't calculate some of this information without you having the data in ascending order. Okay, number 2, Brampo. Number 2 means number 2. Akuzuri ya kwala kukhone na. Mpoza. Ya kwala kukhone. Hey, akuzuri mpoza osale hona na. Good people, number 2 being lower quartile. I hope you guys do remember what is a lower quartile. Number 3. Ian to a 3. Number 3 as the what is it? As the median. Number 3 as the median. Or what else can we call it? The middle quartile. The middle quartile. Hey, Bantu Bagit, remember, these notes are there in the library. So just make sure that in case if you are not in the library, send me an inbox so that we can share with you the link which will take you into the library. That's where you'll find all of these notes. So I'm actually having on my iPad here the notes which are sent in the group. So I'm actually using this same notes to prepare for this lesson. Remember, guys, this lesson is being recorded. It's going to be posted on my YouTube channel as soon as I'm done, so that you guys can catch up at a later stage or towards your exams. So just make sure, Bantu Bagiti, that you don't forget all the lessons that we have done, because if it gets to that point where you'll be writing, you don't need to stress that much about you having to read or study the whole chapter. You just watch this lesson because it summarizes everything. So you just have your headsets on, chill on your couch, and then watch and listen. And then it's going to remind you of everything that you need to remember, because it might take you hours and hours and hours if you try to read and try to understand. So with you not missing my lessons, Mr. Gift, it helps you to be aware of all the types of lessons or the chapters that you've covered. Then in future, when you'll be writing for some exams, you then just watch the lesson. It's always available online. Okay, so number 4. Sandile.
Oh, connect inbox as the lesson class.
Hey, Shreyas, what did he say? You know my situation, Shreyas. What did Gift say?
So I'm not sure. Yeah, it's
Hey, Gift. Did I tell you that my Afrikaans is that one of my daughter's score? I couldn't even hear you, honorable member.
Meneer, sorry, die meneer connect, die meneer inbox agas raam met die letters meneer.
Yo. Hey, Gift is exposing me, guys. Hey.
Sir, I
Hey,
think he's asking if he can inbox you afterwards, sir.
hey,
Yeah,
Sandile,
that's true.
Do you know Africans, or are you like me?
I know
Eh,
Afrikaans, sir.
you are lying, Gift. Sandile? Yeah. I don't trust you, Sandile. Can you say vie in Afrikaans, please? In Afrikaans, as a belief. Can you say what gift? Hey, can
Hy
you?
het gevra
Can
of hy kan meneer inbox na die lesson.
hey? We have Africa
Ja, meneer
speaking
van leer
people
met
here.
Afrikaans meneer.
Yo.
near van die library VS.
Oh yes, please. Yes, as a belief. Yes. Mark 2. Yes. Number 4.
Sir, did you understand what I said, sir?
Hey, Shreyas, I understood. No more questions. Hey, Tumsa, but how many like Africans? Nagino Ian do a 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it's done. Hey, these guys are talking that deep one. Shreyas, questions closed. Hey, you guys are hammering me with a deep Africans there. Hey, I'm running away. Okay, number 4. What can I think? Just look at this, guys. Minimum value, meaning the smallest number. Lower quartile, Q1. Median or the middle, what is it? Or the middle quartile being Q2. Yes, this is Q1. This is Q2. Obviously, this one is going to be a Q3 being the upper a quartile being Q3. Number 5. Hey, wait. Gift. Can you hear English? I forgot to ask if you only Prat. You can hear English, Mus. Hey, I couldn't hear that. Gift, remember to take out, but I think you can because we're chatting in English. You can hear English, Mus, Gift. I think he said, yes, sir, I can. He's probably having his headsets on, but I couldn't hear that. I think he can. Okay. So, number 5, since we had minimum value, it's only fair that we have a maximum value over there. Guys, do you have a picture of what we are referring to when we talk about the 5 number summary? Is it everyone who understands exactly what we are dealing with over there? Or am I the only one who's understanding myself there? Bantu Bakiti.
I understand.
Yes, sir.
I attend too, sir.
Okay.
Understand, sir.
Okay. It seems like let me not remove all of that and try bring another box. No. Another board. Here is another wall. Guys, we are now about to work. Sicala ukusetshenziswa manje. Siyasetshenziswa manje. We are going to do a very quick example. In this example, they want you to find the 5 number summary. So, guys, let's all write these numbers as a belief. 12, 6, 4, 9, 8, 4, 9, 8. Let me not write them close. 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 5, 9, 8, 5, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8, 10, and then 7 there, and then 9, 12, 14, 5, 12, 14, 5, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 6, 4, 8, 6, 4, No. 6, 4, 8, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, and then last one being 10. Okay. Did you all manage to write all of those numbers? Or are you still writing?
Done, sir.
Dumza is done. Are we
Done, sir.
all done? Sandile, as ye done, honorable member, or as ye still be a hate there?
Yes,
Non-tokos,
sir.
are we doing okay that side?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm done.
Okay. I see Kwezi Magnificent is back. Okay. The first, being the most important question that you should ask yourself is that, is this data in ascending order? Yes or yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. If an answer to that question is a no, that means we need to rearrange it. So let's do this exercise of rearranging that data. Whichever strategy that you use that strategy. So for me, this is what I've always been doing. I would actually look for the lowest number. On that first row, I see it's 4. The lowest number is 4. Is 4. Yes, it seems like it's 4. So I have how many 4s? There, I've got 1 4. Then I'm just going to write it with a different color. I've got 4 there. I've got another 4, another 1. Wait, no 4 there. Okay, there I've got 4, and then there I've got another 1 being 4. Then I just circle those because I've done a 1, 2,
Sorry,
3,
but there's
4
a
4.
2 there. There's a 2 next to 8. The last one. 2.
Oh,
Eh.
yes. Hey, you guys need to buy me carrots, guys. Is it carrots in Zulu or is it carrots? So let's say the smallest number there is 2. So can you see, honorable member? Well done on that one. So with me doing these circles, they were going to help me to notice if I missed a number, because this 2, it was going to remain in the end uncircled. That's how I was going to notice that something is missing. Then I was just going to add it onto the list. But well done. So our smallest value is 2. Then we have 4 4s. Yo. 4 4s. Can we hear that, guys? 4 4s. 4 4s. Okay. What else? I saw 5. There it's 5. We have 5 there, and then we have another one there, and then another one there being the last one. So I circle them for that same reason that I've just explained. So in case if you did not have a strategy of working out these things, do this, but use your pencil and not your pen. Very, very much important. In case if something goes wrong, then you can erase the pencil and then start over. Let's see. After 5, I think there we've got 6. There it's 6. Where's another 1? There is another 1. 6, another 1. 6. Oh, there is another 1. So that means we have 6 there. Where is another 1? There is another 1. another one, another one. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, let's move on to 7. There I see 7. No 7 there, the top. Okay, it seems to be the only 7 there. So we only have 1, 7. Let's move on to 8. There I see 8. I see 8. 8, 8, that line. And in this line, there's 8 there. There's 8 there. 2 80s in the middle. And then the last one, there is 1 8. Okay, so we have 1, 2, let's say 3, 4, 5 80s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Let's move on to another one. Being 9. There is 9. There is 9. So we have 2 9s at the top. There is 9. There is 9. We have 2 also there. 9. 9. At the bottom, 9. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 9s. Okay, so after 9 is 10. Where is 10? It seems like there, this is the only one. So let's write it as 10 over there. Oh, there's another one. I missed that one. So let's also add that one. What else? 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 It seems like we only have 2 10s. 1, 2. Yes. Let's go to 11. As in the villages, we used to call it 11. But I know you guys, you call it 11. It seems like we don't have 11, guys. Do we have 11? Nah. Ek nie dink so. I don't think so. Okay, let's move on to 12. There is 12. There is 12. It seems like we only have 2 12s. 12 1, 12 2, 12, and then 12. After 12, there must be 13. Do we have 13 there? Seems like we don't have 13. What about 14? Oh, there we've got 14, which is the one and the only one. The one and the only one. The one and the only one. It seems like I've circled everything, guys. It seems like I've circled everything. I'm just not sure if you guys who eat some fresh carrots. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see, but it seems like I've covered everything. Okay, let's see. For me to know that I've done everything correctly, that's if when I count these numbers, they must be the same as that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, 27 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. There are high chances that I've done it correctly. Okay. Is there anyone who also got it correct, just like I did, Bantu Bakit? Or are you still busy working it out?
Done.
Hmm? Me, I'm eating, guys. I know you guys don't eat at people's place, but me, I'm chowing. If you want to join me, you are welcome. But just know that today, I'm eating a crocodile. You know, on Wednesday I'm eating crocodile. Tomorrow I'll be eating something else. Bantu Bakit, I'm waiting. Are you guys still busy or are you done?
I'm
Done.
done.
Oh, you guys are done. Hey, you should have told me, Bantu Bagit. You should have told me. Okay, remember, find 5-number summary. Okay, in order, starting from the beginning, I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to participate on this one. What are the 5-number summary? This is how you'll answer this question. If you want to start from the first one, mention your name, and then I will choose from the names, then you give us an answer. When we move to the next one, same thing. You mention your name, I'll give you a chance, you answer. Next one, next one, next one, until we get to the last. So that means for that one where I ask if you know the answer, don't say the answer. Because if you say the answer, then you're not making it fair for everyone. Just mention your name and then I will choose. Okay. The first one, under the 5-number summary. What is the first one and how do we calculate it, or how do we get it from the ascending order data, the data which is arranged in ascending order? That is the question.
Hamisa.
We have the first name being Hamisa. Anyone? Hamisa, go for it.
The first one is the minimum value, which is 2.
Easy, 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 easy. Number Ian. Minimum value is equals to 2. That's it. Number 2. What is it? Someone wanted to mention their name. I just heard and they left. Yo.
Gift.
Tumela.
There's gift and okay. Gift. Go for it. What are we doing there?
It's 4.
Hey. What is it? Are you talking about 4-pack gift? 4 apples.
The next value, sir, it's 4.
Hey, but what is 4 a gift? Did you win? Did you win lotto? Did you get 4 million? Hey, this guy is moneyed. You won lotto gift.
No, sir.
Or maybe is he wearing size 4? Hey, gift. What is the 4 for? What is 4? Okay. Dumza, that question that I was asking gift, answer that question. Answer that same question. Dumza the Dumza. Did you run away, honorable member? Usasekhona lapho.
So I think the lower quartile. we're gonna find it from, say, according to my understanding. So we have to find to first find like the median, so that like we can count from the median, from the lower quartile to the median, like to find like say the difference between ours.
Okay,
So then we're gonna find
okay,
Q1.
okay. Maybe let's do a very easy exercise so that everyone understands what we are trying to do over there. Let's say we have two, we have 4, let's say we have 10, we have 17, what else? 20, then we have a 51 there. Can you see? This information is arranged in order. Okay, so when we talk about the minimum, not necessarily the minimum value, but the 5-number summary, we want to know the minimum value, the maximum value, the middle value, Q1 and Q3. So that means in this case, this is the minimum value. This will be the maximum value. What is the middle value? So that means you're going to have, let me see in total, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that means you must count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you must count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it means the median is the value in between those two. How do you get that value? You must add these two values and divide them by 2. What are you getting there? Let's see. I think we say 10 plus 17 is equals to, then we divide it by 2. We get 27. No, 13 and a half. So that means the value in between is actually 13 and a half. So this is the median. This is the middle quartile. And then now, remember, we still have a Q1. So this is mean, this is max, this is median, or the middle quartile. We now need what is it? Q1 and Q3. This is the middle. So let's see. Q1 and Q3. So that means you count you find the middle value on this side and the middle value on this side. So just like Tumi was saying there, she was simply saying it is very much important that when you calculate the 5-number summary, already you know your minimum and your maximum. So it's very much important that you start by looking at your middle value. Once you get your middle value, then you look for the middle value on this side and the middle value on that side. This is going to be your Q1, this is going to be your Q2. No, Q3. Because this is Q2, the middle value. So that means the middle value here, it is going to be there because you have a value, a value, a value, a value. So that means you must add this 2 and then divide it by 2. So that means it's 2 plus 2 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that means your Q1, it is actually 3. That means 3 is actually your Q1. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, then the value in between, you might need to say this plus that, you divide them by 2. I think you're going to get 20 there because this plus this is 40 divided by 2 is 20. So that means you have 20 as your Q3. So that means your 5-number summary. You have your minimum, you have your Q1, you have your median, you have your Q3, you have your marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how you score yourself your 5-number summary. I'm not sure. Mr. Gift, Shreyas, Hamisa, did that make sense, honorable members? Did that make sense to everyone? Togos,
Yes, sir.
pause.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I think
Yes.
we get it now.
So in exam, they give you something too long so that it confuses you. But in short, this is what you're trying to do. So let me quickly get my power bank. And while I do that, I'm giving you guys an opportunity to find the 5-number summary using that data. So I'm going to give you strictly 2 to 3 minutes, and then from there I'll be taking your answers. I'll just be calling your name and then you give an answer. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You may start.
I'm already done.
Someone is speaking. What are you
Already
saying,
done.
honorable member? Oh, someone is already okay. Just hold on for a few seconds. Who's done?
Hamisa.
Oh, okay. Hamisa is
Hello.
done.
Okay.
Dumelo is also done. Okay, so let me quickly get my power bank because I notice I'm actually left with 3%. As soon as I'm back, then I'm taking answers. So you guys are remaining with 1 minute. No? Just want to quickly get my power bank. Okay. I hope everyone. Hey, Ntokozo, kuhamba njani lapho Ntombo? Zothe zochimbila zwavhuḓi kana kona thaidzo hapa?
I'm okay.
Are you done also, or are you still fighting there with these numbers?
I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. What are you getting for Q3?
I got 7,5.
She's getting 7,5. Dumza, is it correct?
So for what, Konja?
For Q3, what did you get for Q3?
I got 9.
Oh, no. That was the median.
Okay. What did you get for Q3, non-Togos?
I also got 9.
Hey. Okay, non-Togos. What did you get for the upper quartile, being Q3?
For Q3,
Yibu, upper quartile.
I said I got 9.
Oh, she says she got. Okay, no, now I get it. Hamisa, what did you get for your Q1?
Q1, it was 5.
She got 5. Gift. What are you getting there? Are you also
Wait,
getting 5? Why
sir.
are you still fighting?
Not on that
Not
data, the top one.
Yes, sir. On the
yes.
top one,
No,
we got 5.
not on this one. Hey, hey. I'm going to also end up confusing myself. Let me remove all of that. Okay, so Ian, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know this is the minimum. What is it? Okay, this is the upper quartile. You guys said you got 3. And then what about the lower quartile? Gift. What did you get there?
I got 5, sir.
He says he got 5. Shreyas, did you calculate your middle value? Did you manage to get your middle value?
No, sir.
Okay. Mpoza, have you calculated your middle value? Mzozoyana, kuhamba njani lapho? Did you get your middle value?
I got it as 8.
S8. S8. Hey, I don't
Yes.
trust that one. Kwezi, what did you get? Magnificence. What did you get? Sandile, utholeni lapho? I haven't got voice. Okay, Mpoza says he doesn't have voice today. Okay, Nontokos, what did you get?
I got 7.5.
7.5. Is it the other guys? Did you also get 7.5?
Yes,
I
sir.
got 8.
I also got 8.
No, sir, I got 8.
Hey, Nontokos,
And 8,
uyithole
sir.
kanja. Uyithole
I
kanja.
so I
Uyenzeni?
added 7 and 8, which are the two. Okay. So the middle term is between 7 and 8, so I had to add 7 and 8 and then divide by 2.
Okay, wait. How many are this in total, Bantu Bagiti?
27 numbers.
27 numbers.
Isn't it 26?
No, 20. Yeah, 27 in total.
27 or 26? Me too, I forgot. Let's see.
Oh
1,
yeah,
2,
it's
3, 4, 5, 6,
27.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Hey, someone needs to open a business of selling carrots. I think we already have a customer, guys. Who wants to start that business? Ntokozo, siyathengisa.
I think I should start a
Ntombo.
business.
I made a mistake.
Niye.
Siyathengisa Ntokozo.
Sizochacha malini gift? Sizochacha malini? Cabanga ukuthi sizochacha
I
malini?
think 4 rand each.
Hayi,
4
50
rand each,
rand.
sir.
50 rand izomsebenzela lo muntu lo. Izomsebenzela ngoba uzothola ama marks onke. 4 rand. Hayi. Ngicabanga ukuthi
Phela
siyenze 50 rand.
senyusa nge-70.
Hey, okay. Let's see. Mzozozo. What about that one there? What is it and what is the value? Tabile, both of these, what are they called and what are the values? Balega ngenyawo zobili. Okay, Nontokozo.
Yes.
Conclude, honorable member.
Okay, so for
Control.
the minimum value, I have 2, and for the maximum value, I have 14.
Minimum value is
Minimum is
equals
2,
to
and the maximum value is 14.
14. Okay, I think Nontogozo has closed our lesson for today. I'm just not sure if
No, sir. Can
is
you please
everyone.
change the median, which is 7,5?
Oh yes, yes,
Supposed to
yes,
be
yes,
8.
yes, yes. It's supposed to be. Hey, Nontogozo, uyabona ukuthi unyenziza unyenziza izinto ezingabi right. Uyayibona le ndaba?
Izinto ezingalungile.
Oh, izinto ezingalungile. You know, I know it in African, so you get it?
Ja, ja,
If you
meneer.
don't
Zij
get
maakt
it,
voor
hey, gift.
Ayo.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding, gift. You want to expose me, gift? I'm watching you. Mm.
Nou, nee,
Machans,
meneer. Ik speel maar net.
Machans. Am I the only one who's happy with today's lesson, or as Almal Kheluk?
Ish, Sam, my network was so bad today, so can you please repeat question number 4, please?
Number four question. Oh, wait. Is she referring to the upper value? So, if you're talking about the upper value, how do I explain?
The upper
Oh, yes,
quartile.
the upper. But do you understand the lower quartile? Hey, that's a very good question, because now I wonder,
I
how
understand.
do I explain what
Not
is
sure
the
if
upper?
I'm not sure
Okay,
if I
okay. So,
I'm not sure if I
Tabile.
got it right, ne?
Mm, okay, so the lower quartile, whatever that you did to get the lower quartile, you do the same to get the upper quartile. So remember, Tumza said it's best if you start identify your minimum value and also your maximum value, and again your middle value, because this is going to help you to find a Q1 and also to find Q3. So whichever way you calculated your Q1, you also do the same by starting from the middle value up to that value there. I'm not sure. Did I answer there, Tabile? You know, I just noticed now that it's not easy to explain.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
but
I don't know if you can hear me because I
yes,
can't
no,
hear you
I
clearly. For
can
my
hear
lower
you
quartile,
clearly.
I've added 5 plus 5, then I divided by 2, I got 5. And then for my upper quartile, ne, I've added 9 plus 10, then I divided by 2, I got 9. So I'm not sure if I did a correct thing or it's wrong now.
Hey, uthi uede ini na ini wathola ini. Uede 9 no 10 wathola 9. Hey,
From my left hand side, ne, I've counted from 2, then I've got I've counted the 4 fours, and then no, I didn't add. Sorry, sir, I didn't add. I said I started counting from 2. I've ended up on 5. That was my lower quartile. Ne? Was it correct?
hey, Bantu Bagit, you won't believe what just happened. Do you guys remember that time when I said I'm going to get a charger? Can you guys be able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Shreyas, you won't believe it. That time when I said, let me quickly go and get a charger, I went to get a charger, but I did not connect. Can you imagine? So now it's off. But I think the honorable member who was asking that question, she's gone now. But I don't know if I'm the one who was hearing some other stuff, but I heard like she was saying she added 9 and 10 and she got 9, but I think maybe she wanted to say she added 9 and 9 divided by 2 and she got 9. So let's just make a conclusion to say that's what she did. But other than that, is there someone who's got a question, or are we all happy as we conclude for our lesson for today?
I'm happy.
Question.
I had like question. Is that a question?
No.
Oh, no question. Oh, you say no question. Okay. Then in that case, ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much for joining. You guys have a very good night.
Excuse me, sir.
As
I can't hear you,
always,
sir.
I'm out.
Thank you, sir.